Before we close today, I have a quick tip on making a string art wheel. The complete instructions can be found on our website, but once you've pounded your nails in place on a wood plaque, you can make your own threaded design. So start out with your wooden plaque, and you can print out the pattern that's on our website. Put all of your nails at the dots. Make sure that you tape this down, of course, so that you have something to work on. So you're basically creating your own loom. Then what you'll do is take a piece of string and tie it to the number 1. Now you can choose your favorite colors, of course. You can make it all one color and make it monochromatic. I like the idea that this one has several different colors together. You might want to make it match your room. So what you do is just tie a knot here to get it started. Then we have the pattern on the website and you can follow along. So you go from 1 down to 13 and then over to 25 and around. Just make sure that you do it twice so that it doesn't come off of your nail. Then you're going to go over to 7, go around twice, like that. And I'm keeping this fairly tight, and if you can pull all of your strings out of the way as you're wrapping, then you won't get all tangled up. So pull this around twice, and go down to 19. So you're making a star pattern, and then go back up to 1. And then you'll tie it here so that you can add your next thread. Okay, so once this is tied, then you'll add your next color. And as you layer it up following the pattern on our site, you'll see that you create this beautiful sun kind of pattern. What you'll do to finish it is trim off all of the thread ends and remove this paper template from underneath here. You can just peel it away carefully. And if you take a look at this finished one, you can see that we added some glitter glue to the top of each nail head. That's an easy way to just add a little bit of extra embellishment. And I'm going to flip this over so that you can see on the back. We used a recycled pop tab. Just glue it at the top for a hanger and you're all set to go.